Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to bring the iconic Mira hair combo from Kpop Demon Hunter to the runway in DTI. So if you want to know the step-by-step into this Mira hair combo tutorial, just watch this video until the end. So for Mira hair, the first one that you can do is go to the straight hair category and put on this hair. Now for the color, you can use this hex code and then use the adjustment, change the positions Y into 47 and change the Z into 59. Now second hair, put on this hair in here and now toggle it into no bangs and use the adjustment again. Only change the Y in positions into 47 like this. Now click on the wavy hair category and put on this hair, toggle it into only bangs. Don't forget to change the color and again use the adjustment, change the position Y into 48 and change the scale into 43. Okay, so once you're done in here, you can go to the dressing room and put on an item from the code items tab. Is here in here. The code is Bella Leslie's. Toggle it into no bangs. Don't forget to change the color, and that's it. So this is the final look of my hair in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.